Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Jena Tungo and you are welcome. And please don't leave without subscribing to my channel, okay? Yeah. So guys, this is the hair that I'm going to use. Marley Braid, it is in color number 1. And this hair, I bought it at my local beauty supply. It retailed for 450 Kenya shillings, just in case, yeah, you want to buy. Okay, so each packet comes in 2 bundles, exactly as you can see in the video. So there are 2 bundles in each packet. I bought 2 packets, guys. Okay, so I'll go straight ahead and cut the hair into 2 because I didn't want this hair to be like so long. So I'll just cut the hair into 2, but again it depends with what you're going for. If you want, to crochet as it is, then you don't have to cut it. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just take each strand and divide into 2 section. Okay, so for you to divide the strand, of course you have to detangle the ends of this hair, then it will be easier for you to divide. So I'll just go ahead and section each strand into 2, exactly as you can see in the video, guys. Okay guys, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please, as you watch this video, consider subscribing. Okay, so this is how my braiding pattern looks like. I just did some cornrows, some simple cornrows, okay, going all the way back. So let us start the whole process. So I'll just go straight ahead and insert my crochet needle through my hair, exactly as you can see in the video. Then I'll take my crochet hair and I'll attach it on the hook, close the hook, then go ahead and pull the hair out, and then I'll just make 1 knot just to secure it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you again after attaching my crochet needle, or rather placing my crochet needle through my natural hair. I'll go ahead and take my crochet hair, put it on the hook, close the hook, then go ahead and pull the hair out, exactly as you can see. Then I'm going to secure it by tying 1 knot, guys. So it is as simple as that, and this style took me exactly 1 hour. Crocheting is just one of those hairstyles that you can do in less, or it will not take you much time to do. So this style took me 1 hour to do. Okay, so literally guys, that is what I have been doing. And in the meantime, continue watching, and please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you may be notified anytime I upload a new video. And again, your comments are much welcome. You can comment down below. How do you think about this style? I'm going to try it out. So yeah, so guys, I'm going for a very natural look, so I'll be leaving some space in between. Okay, I didn't want this hair again to be like a super bulky. Okay guys, and another thing that I didn't tell you, so this hair that like I told you in the beginning of the video, that I did section this hair into 2. I section each strand into 2 parts. So at the back is where I'm going to crochet the 2 strands, but at the front it will be a whole different process. So just continue watching, and you'll see what I'll do at the front. So at the back of this hair is when I crocheting, I just crochet the 2 strands of this hair, but at the front it's going to be a whole different thing. So continue watching, and yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and again, comment on the comment section down below. And yeah guys, I'll get back to you. So in the meantime, continue watching, and yeah guys. Okay guys, so this is the second bundle. Okay, so I'm done with the first bundle, so I'll just go ahead and divide this strand into three. Okay, because I'm going for, like I told you, a natural look. So at the front you want to take some small section, that's why I divided into three. And at this particular point now I'm doing the invisible method, so I'll be taking one strand of hair. Okay, remember you don't want this knot to be seen. Okay, so that's why after pulling your hair out of the crochet hook, you'll have to take one strand of hair. Again, it depends with which part you want to do the invisible method. So for me, I'm going for a side look. I'm not a very fan of middle part, so I'll just go ahead and create that invisible method on a side part. Okay, and again guys, if you are a fan, or rather if you love a middle part, then girl, you can go for it. Okay, so with me, I'm going for a side part, and here is where I'll be doing the invisible method. And yeah guys, so I'll get back to you anytime I feel like I need to explain something. So continue watching, and please, if you haven't yet subscribed and you have watched this video till here, please consider subscribing. And you can share this video, it is free of charge. You can share this video to your friends, to your family, any person you know that this video is going to be of help to them. So consider sharing, liking, commenting, and yeah guys, so I'll get back to you. So guys, I only use one packet of this hair, and I think the reason why I used only one packet is because I divided this hair into two. But I bought two packets because I thought one packet was not going to be enough. So for me, one packet worked for me, because like I said, I divided this hair into two. But if you're going to crochet the whole strand as it was without dividing it, then you'll have to go for two packets. Okay, so guys, here I am. I'm done with the crocheting this hair, so I'll just go ahead and pull the roots of this hair, just to give it some more natural look and all that. And once I'm done, I'll just go straight ahead and apply some gel, just to to make sure that my edges are neat and all that. And guys, this style, or rather this hair, is very lightweight. In case maybe you're wondering, this hair is very lightweight, and it is manageable because it is not long. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and trim the excess hair, and I'll use my finger to detangle the ends of this hair, and detangle and trimming and all that guys. So yeah, like I say, this hair is very manageable because it is short. Okay, it is not like a super long, and like if I was going to crochet the whole strand as it was. So after I'm done with doing my edges, I'll go straight ahead and take my scarf and just tie my hair around my edges, of course. So this is what I have after I'm done doing my hair. Like I told you, only use one packet. So I'll use my wide tooth comb just to comb it through and just to detangle it. And this is the comb that I'm going to use for this hair, guys. And yeah guys, that was it for this video. Hope you've learned a thing or two, and thank you so much for keeping me company. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section down below. So guys, I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now and take care.